give you some basic rules of exponents. We've talked about one of them already. We have something like this. It says a to the m times a to the n is equal to a to the m plus n. So an example would be like 2 squared times 2 cubed is equal to 2 to the 2 plus 3 to the 5th. And then we have a to the m divided by a to the n. Well, you don't add them, you subtract them. A to the m minus a. So if I had 2 to the 5th divided by 2 cubed, that'd be 2 to the 5 minus 3 is equal to 2 squared. Let's see, what else do we have? If I have a to the m raised to a power, then now we multiply these two together. So a to the m times n. So this would be like 2 squared cubed. That'd be 2 to the 2 times 3 is equal to 2 to the 6th. And if you think about it, this is saying that I'm cubing this. So that would be the same thing as saying 2 squared times 2 squared times 2 squared, right? 1, 2, 3. And now this problem here gets back to that. We just add up the exponents. They all have the same base of 2. 2 plus 2 plus 2 is equal to 6. So it's the same idea. Let's see. Another one here is we have negative exponents. A to the minus m. If you push it across the fraction bar, I'm going to call this the fraction bar. If I push this across the fraction bar, the sign changes from positive to negative. And then the same thing is true if I go the other way. If I say it's 1 over a to the minus m, and if I push this up, then that gives you a to the plus m. There's another one you can use too. I think we might see it here in a bit. If I have a to the 0 power, that's equal to 1. And that's always true. I'll give you an example of how we got there. Let's say that I had 2 to the 5th power divided by 2 to the 5th power. Well, those are the same thing. So that's equal to 1. I think that's 32 and that's 32. But 2 to the 5th, we could use this one right here, the subtraction, because I'm dividing. So this is 2 to the 5 minus 5 is 2 to the 0. So when you say anything raised to the 0 power, so anything. Okay, so let's use these rules then to see if we can simplify this. First of all, let's work inside this. So I have x to the minus 5 y over y cubed to the minus 1 power. So let's see here. If I combine these two, this is y to the first divided by y cubed. Well, that's a division, so I've got to subtract the exponents. So this is going to be y to the 1 minus 3 is equal to y to the minus 2. Okay, so now I have this as x to the minus 5 times y to the minus 2 to the minus 1 power. Okay, now we're going to use this one. If you have an exponent outside the parentheses, which I do, then it says you multiply that times the exponents that are inside. So I'm going to multiply minus 1 times the minus 5, and I'm going to multiply the minus 2 times minus 1, right, because this is my multiplier. And we talked about this, a negative times a negative is a positive. Negative times a negative is a positive. So here's our answer. We're simplifying. X to the 5th. Y squared, yeah, that's correct. Okay. Add them, you divide, you subtract them. If it's outside, you multiply them. If you push it across the fraction bar, it'll change the sign of the exponent. And anything to the 0 power is 1. leave those up there for a moment, make sure you've got them copied.